My name is Dr. Marion Pugh. I graduated in 2006 with my degree in broadcast and production and communication arts from Georgia Southern University. In 2008, I graduated again from Georgia Southern University with my master's in counselor education with specific interest in school counseling. In 2019, I graduated from Georgia Southern again with my doctorate in curriculum studies. My current career choice is consulting on all levels. Anyone from children, parents, administrators, business owners, organizational leaders, political leaders, you name it, I can consult. One of the major tenets of my consulting approach is training, teaching, and specifically mentoring. When I'm talking about mentoring, a lot of people kind of know what to do. They know what needs to be done, but they don't know how to do it per se. One of the main reasons why I do what I do is because I was forced in a position where I was my parents' marriage counselor. I had loving parents, but I was always witness in a situation where they didn't have the most accurate words to find to express themselves. And I did a lot of listening, and I saw where sometimes they didn't see eye to eye. I was actually there to add a perspective from my point of view to help them communicate on a more effective level. In my younger days, in my youth, I found myself in situations where I was forced to be a mediator between two people or two or more people that were always in conflict, but they didn't have the right words to express themselves. So what I found out, if I was always going to be in a situation where people could have misunderstanding, it was up to me to create some understanding. So at that moment, at the tender age of 8 years old, I found myself being a mediator to not only the adults in my life, but I was eventually recruited by my school system to be a peer mediator. Even the students that were not getting along in school, some of my school counselors would get me out of class to come to the meetings to see what we can do to resolve the issues between students so they can literally stay in school. So with that being said, it looks like since the tender age of 8 to 9 years old, I've been playing a major role to ending the school to prison pipeline. This is not about motivation, it's about empowerment. I'm not here to make you feel better, I'm here to make sure you know how to do better, period. This is more than a pep talk. We've been through so many pep rallies, we don't even know what team we on. The reason why you should bring me to your institution or your organization is because we have a lot of people still struggling between understanding what their purpose is along with their profession. A lot of us are trying to figure out if we're only supposed to be here to work or we're supposed to be doing meaningful work. A lot of us have actually sacrificed our purpose for our profession, and we're having an imbalance. We have children that don't think they can measure up to being who they are unless they have a specific or the right job. We have people in professions right now who don't feel like they're inadequate because they've been stuck in the same profession for years and they're not being fulfilled. If you need to get in contact with me, you can find me on ManhoodMindset.com. You can email me directly at info@ManhoodMindset.com. I'm also available on Twitter, ManhoodMindset. I'm also available on Instagram at ManhoodMindset, and I'm on Facebook under Pugh. Please reach out. I can't wait to work with you.